Hey, are you an art educator struggling to turn your passion into a thriving career? And you are sick of struggling to attract consistent, high quality students who are eager to learn from you? Are not knowing how to scale your teaching business without drowning in tech overwhelm? Are exhausting one on one sessions. If you dream of charging premium prices for your art courses and building a sustainable six-figure business doing what you love, then you pay close attention here because we might be able to help you. We are looking for three art educators to build a six-figure art teaching business in 90 days. So they can build a six-figure online art teaching business in less than 90 business days. Build a business that generates consistent income and scale it like we have done for our previous clients that have reached to 1 lakh to 3 lakh rupees per month without wasting your time and one-on-one teaching or shooting endless videos or editing them or struggling with complicated tech platforms. You will create a business that generates predictable income and scales to 1 lakh to 3 lakh rupees per month. Here with us, Anisha. She has come to us with no idea how to turn her passion for art into a full-time career. She was an IT professional that stays in Dubai. Using our smart launch system, we help her build her art education business from scratch. She hit the milestone of 2.5 lakh rupees per month income and now consistently attracts hundreds of students each and every month. Now she is a completely full-time art educator. She has quit her IT profession and she is just loving her job right now. How many of you dream of doing it, doing art as a full-time profession? Here with us, Rexlin. She was just earning 5k to 10k rupees per month when she was just doing commissioned artwork. So that's how she has started her career as an artist. Didn't know how to turn her passion for art into a profitable business. And she was sad with the reality that nobody was able to guide her to achieve the consistent income from her profession. After implementing our smart launch system, she crossed 10 lakh rupees revenue overall in her art business. And today she is able to make consistently up to 1 lakh rupees per month income. And she's happy that even her parents are proud about her choice of being an artist. Maybe that's you. We are looking for dedicated art educators who wants to grow their business using a simple proven framework that delivers 80 to 90% profit margins. If you want a business that gives you consistent income without relying on lakh expensive apps or burning out, keep watching. Attract students who are ready to pay and learn from you without taking them through multiple levels of doing big launches. Before I tell you more about this opportunity, here is a little bit about us. I am Lavanya Siteshwar. I have found Lavanya's Art Business Coaching. I have turned my passion for art into a full time profession since 2021, and I was able to cross 50 lakh revenue through teaching art online. I have helped over 100 plus students globally to build profitable online art teaching business. I didn't want artists struggle to achieve the monthly needs of income. So that's why I have founded this Lanya's Art Business Coaching. And My community of artists is now consistently earning 1 lakh to 3 lakh rupees per month. This gives me so much joy, and this is my mission. I want to see each and every artist to be economically independent and just earning by doing what they love. Do you resonate with this? If you are an art educator with a skill that can transform lives, but you are tired of struggling to make it a full time career, listen up. This may be the most important opportunity you have ever presented with. The old ways of teaching art are broken. You might be restricting yourself to offline classes or doing one on one online sessions. Or maybe you were spent months in creating pre-recorded courses without validating the demand, only to find nobody buys your pre-recorded courses. Perhaps you might have tried running ads without clarity, wasting money on the wrong audience, or posting it on social media with no strategy, failing to generate any leads. These methods are slow, unpredictable, and risky, leaving you frustrated and stuck. Unlike traditional methods, our system gets you paying students first before you create a single video. So there is no guesswork. It builds your authority and trust organically. So your audience is ready to buy when you launch. And it focuses on organic growth first. So you don't need to invest big amounts in your ad budget. This system has helped our clients hit 2.5 lakhs to 10 lakh rupees milestone in just few months. And it's the fastest way to attract high paying students, build a reliable business, and scale it globally. This new little known smart launch system is a shortcut around all that, all while keeping your love for teaching art alive. I'm going to reveal the exact details in just a minute. Because first, I need to give you an overview of why this new system, smart launch system, works so well. So let's break down why the old ways don't work. Offline classes are doing one-on-one sessions. These are time intensive and limit your income because you can only teach few students. The problem with one-on-one online sessions is you are trading your hours for rupees. There is no way to scale without burning out. I have tried this when I started my career as an art educator in the beginning. I know how frustrating it can be. I used to have 6 to 7 sessions in a row when I started because I didn't have any guidance. That's how I have started, and I see many other artists also do this mistake because they don't have the proper guidance. Here, you are limited to your local areas, a small audience, making it impossible to build a six-figure business. Why pre-recorded courses without validation fail? You spend hours of artwork or even months sometimes in recording and editing these pre-recorded courses and invest a lot into tech platforms only to see nobody buying your courses. Does it sound relatable? Yes. The problem with pre-recorded courses without validation is because you didn't confirm whether your students want this course or not. This approach is totally risky and often leads you to wasted effort and no sales. And let's understand why ads and random social media posts fail. Ads are expensive and often attract the wrong audience if you don't have a clear strategy. And social media, without a strategic approach, your posts get lost in the algorithm, failing to generate quality leads. These methods are unpredictable and leave you stuck. I have seen lot of renewed art teachers in depth because of these modules are struggling to attract consistent income. Pretty risky, isn't it? That's why we have developed a completely new model specifically for art coaches. This new model is all about speed, simplicity, and scalability. And it's called Smart Launch System. Think of it like this. Traditional methods are like painting a masterpiece without knowing if anybody wants to buy it. Now you keep waiting for sales to happen. But our system is like taking orders first and then creating exactly what your audience want. Totally safe, and you have got your payment first. How many of you want to have this in your business? This is how the model works. We start by building your organic audience on social media, then craft a validated art course. Finally, launch it using our proven webinar method and scale with smart automations. After helping dozens of clients, we have some proprietary ways to make some real magic happen in your art business. This system has helped artists like Anisha and Rexlin hit 1 lakh rupees to 2.5 lakh rupees per month income milestone in their art business, and it's designed to get you paying students fast without tech overwhelm or burning out. Here is how the smart launch system works in 4 simple, easy steps. Step 1. We set up a powerful organic social media presence that attracts quality leads without paid ads. You will learn strategic posting and engagement tactics to build a loyal audience ready to learn from you. When you done right, you will have a steady stream of interested students without spending a lot in ads. Yes, you don't have to invest into ads when you start your art business. Step 2. Craft a validated, irresistible offer. We help you create a high demand art course based on real audience needs. Before even recording anything, this ensures you are building something students are already willing to pay for you, eliminating the guesswork and wasted effort. Step 3. Launch smart, not hard. Using our proven webinar method, you will be able to sell your course to a warm audience with pre-built scripts and presentation strategies. No tech overwhelm. We make it simple and effective so you can close sales with ease. Scale with smart launch system, we set up simple automation tools and teach you organic growth strategies to keep your business running predictably. When you are ready, we show you how to scale with basic ads smartly, not wastefully. This ensures sustainable growth without burnout. In order to build a successful art coaching business, there are 4 phases that we take our clients through. Let's recap how we help art educators like you. Step 1. We help you build a powerful audience foundation to attract quality leads organically. Step 2. We craft a validated, irresistible course offer that students are eager to buy. Step 3. We launch your course offer with our proven webinar method for high converting sales. Step 4. We set up smart systems to scale your business sustainably. Plus, we keep you accountable in each and every step of the process so that we ensure that you move forward. All you need to do is copy and paste our proven system and work on it. Hemalata in the Telugu online art coaching space. She has come to us with a specific challenge that she was only attracting students who were paying just 500 rupees per month for her classes, art classes. Okay. After simplifying and restructuring her offer and art courses, she is now able to charge 2K to 4K per month per student. And do you know she only conduct 2 classes in a week with this price? Brought her from 0 to 1 lakh rupees milestone. Since then, she is attracting quality clients and now she is a full-time professional art educator. I like to see this kind of success stories from each one of you. Want us to personally help you craft your breakthrough art course? Sounds like something you are interested in? Join our next 3 art educators to build your 6-figure business. Here is the offer one last time. We are looking for our next 3 art educators to personally help them achieve a consistent 6-figure monthly income using the smart launch system. You will attract high paying students, build a thriving business, and scale to 1 lakh to 3 lakh rupees per month in less than 90 days. Without one on one teaching, endless videos editing, or tech overwhelm, if that's you, when you work with us, we'll personally craft your perfect breakthrough course structure and help you to set up your smart launch system. Make sure you are accountable and moving forward. Help you become an expert in doing webinars and sales closing and start attracting paying students from social media. All you will need to do is copy paste our exact strategy in your business and follow it. My guarantee 2x your investment or we work until you succeed. Yes, you have heard it right. If you follow our strategies consistently and don't 2x your investment, we'll work with you twice as long to ensure you hit your goals. Warning, there are only limited smarts available. If you are seeing this video, that means spots are open. Yes, this is really big deal. Fill out the application form on this page right now and we will look forward to seeing your testimonials with a great result like our other art educators did in this community.